What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yeah, I'm actually in the garage. I know, shocker. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about insurance and how some of the biggest insurance companies in America are abandoning California. And I think it's going to expand to other states like Nevada, Arizona, and other places that are trying to adopt similar laws against insurance companies, and how this could be a disaster.
For the longest time, whoa, for the longest.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent.
Yeah, guys, Master Chief is right here, man. And look, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about insurance and what's going on in California with State Farm, Allstate, like a couple of big major insurance companies completely pulling out of the state because of a state law that was passed that doesn't let insurance companies massively increase your rates. They only can do it a little bit at a time. It's capped, right? Well, that doesn't work for insurance companies. If they feel like their risk is too high, they just pull out. Now, this isn't anything different. I've seen this before with Geico in Massachusetts back in the day where I grew up. And I've seen it with other companies where they just don't insure vehicles in those states. And it's concerning because one of the biggest things that's hitting the automotive industry, outside of banks not wanting to finance crap right now, right? High ass interest rates, MSRPs way overvalued. When now you take into the account that you have, people think they're going to pay $250 a month on a Scat Pack and insurance, for full coverage, and now they're looking at $400, $500. In some cases, $700 if you're younger, a month in full coverage insurance. That's, in some cases, almost as much as the car payment. And that's ridiculous. Now, I can understand the law that California passed, which they said was to protect consumers, but basically all it's going to do is it's going to allow nothing but like crap insurance companies to pop up that may not pay claims. And it's just going to be a friggin' disaster in California. And they're proposing that crap in Nevada, and they're going to propose it in Arizona. That's usually what happens, and then it just spreads like a disease through the rest of the country. Now, I don't have a problem so much with the law. It's just, and I get why it's there. It's to protect consumers from getting screwed by insurance companies that would just inflate prices for no reason. Which I get, which I appreciate. The thing that I find interesting here is California is just letting these companies walk, hoping that, the companies can make the state change their law or the direction they're going, and then as a state, you're going to let these companies back in. Hell no. It's just a disaster, man. Just a disaster. I was talking to a car dealer buddy of mine who's down in San Diego, and he's like, the biggest issue I have right now is not getting funding because some banks, if you have good credit, are getting back on board with, getting people, approved or getting people approved or getting them a loan on whatever it is that they want to buy. It's the getting insurance for it, because a lot of the finance companies require full coverage insurance, and insurance companies now are doing Mickey Mouse stuff where they'll be like, yeah, we'll give you comprehensive, we'll give you a medical liability or whatever, but we're not going to give you collision. Like, completely removing. That's happening here in Nevada like crazy, where they're canceling people's collision on their policy and telling them you have X amount of days, at the end of their policy they want to renew and go to somebody else. They're having to switch companies completely because they can't get a collision policy. It's just ridiculous. But I'd love to know what you guys think. What do you guys think about the disaster that is you know, personal car insurance right now. I can tell you this, me personally, I don't insure anything personally. All of my vehicles now are all insured under my company. And I know you would say, oh, corporate insurance is more expensive. No. I pay for my insurance up front every 6 months in Nevada, and every year in Kansas and Oklahoma, because you can do it by the year. And I'm actually cheaper than I was, you know, all policies combined, than it was under a personal policy. And that's not because I have accidents or tickets or anything like that. They just, I guess corporations are less of a risk now to the insurance companies than individuals, which is insane. It's the first time that I know that I've been doing business that corporate vehicles are cheaper for me to insure than a personal vehicle. That tells you how bad it's got. But let's discuss it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Go check out the second channel. For you guys that are always like, I want to, TK, I missed the auction content. I want to see the walkarounds and the auctions and the videos. They all live over there at TK's Garage 2. Just dropped a whole new So Many BMWs video over there. Go check it out. And I'll tag it in the description down below if you just want to click a link and get over to it. But yeah, that's going to do it for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And until next time, stay petty, my friends.
Whoopee!